To assess Tori's spelling, I began by using the elementary spelling inventory. This is a copy of Tori's spelling sample here. After reading through it, I copied down the words she wrote, and besides the ones she got wrong, I wrote down the correct spelling of the words here. This helped me to find out how many words she got incorrect and how many she got right. This also helped me to find her power score, which is a 21. This score tells me that her spelling stage is early derivational relations from the power scores and estimated stages table on page 30 of WTW. I then used the elementary spelling inventory guide here to determine the types of errors Tori made and to find out how many feature points she had. When I completed the feature guide, I worked row by row and checked off spelling features she got right. I then used the information from what I found on the chart to get the feature points, and when I put that with the number of words she got correct, I came up with the total score of 77 out of 87. For example, Tori spelled ship correctly, and I checked off the final consonant, the short vowel, and the digraph. Tori received 3 feature points in total for the word. An example of one she got incorrect was confident. The only features to check off were ENT and advanced suffix, and also CONFID, a base or root. I did not give her points for either because she mixed up her vowels I and E. When I finished scoring each word, I went down each row and counted the amounts of features Tori got right in each column. At the end, I was able to total up her feature points and her words spelled correctly. Tori had 56 out of 62 possible feature points and also a total of 77 out of 87 points finally. I went back over the feature guide and saw from her scores that Tori had mastery of consonants, short vowels, digraphs, blends, common long vowels, diphthongs and R-influenced vowels, and also inflected endings. In the syllable junctures, unaccented final syllables, and advanced suffixes, she had a 4 out of 5 in each of them, which is acceptable. Tori had a score of 2 out of 5 in the bases and roots column, which is where she will need some more instruction. From these scores, I can tell that her spelling stage is early derivational relations, which I have circled at the top of the page. After reviewing Tori's spelling sample, I went on to her writing. When reading her story, I noticed first that she misspelled tank tops Instead, she wrote tang tops. However, this was a close approximation to the correct spelling of tank. Next, I saw that she left off the E in make, but this could have been a simple spelling error. The last error I found was which. Here, she spelled this word correctly, but she used the wrong sense of the word. It should have been spelled WHICH, which, for what she was trying to tell in her story. From my observations of Tori's writing, she is a derivational relation speller. It would have also been beneficial if she had more practice with the bases and roots of words. From both spelling and writing samples, it shows consistent evidence that the developmental stage that has been chosen is correct and also distinguishes the features that she will need more practice on.